Well, we made it out to the Grand Canyon on the South Rim side, and the weather really switched it up on us. We are literally in the middle of a blizzard. It's cold as balls. It's wet. It's getting icy. We might have to come back over here for another day because I can't see shit.
Please subscribe.
We love you.
Please buy something. We're pretty broke.
Update, slowed down a little with the snow. We're gonna follow these signs where it says Canyon Rim and see what we can see since we're already here. Winter Wonderland in the desert. Look at how open it is over here. Careful on these steps. They're so pretty.